Alright, the video vlog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech vlog, no? So this is just a parang sort of announcement dahil si Poco is launching the Poco X7 series. Sabi ang kanilang slogan is full speed ahead. So mamayang gabi yan, January 9 at 8 p.m. So panoorin nyo yung live stream launch nila sa Facebook ni Poco Philippines. Malabas ng ano ko. Oops. Okay. Tanggal ko na siya. So, launching nito, no, 8 p.m. mamaya sa Facebook page ni Poco Philippines. I-feature nila is yung kanilang Poco X7 series, which is, syempre, they'll be launching the Poco X7. Ito yung itsura niya. Defy all expectations. So, ganda ng likod niya. Oh. Parang leather yung likod niya. And I see a triple camera for the X7. And also, meron silang i-launch na X7 Pro. All hail champion. Parang dual camera siya with 50 megapixel OIS. Nakikita ko dito. And so, very interesting. They are going to launch the Ironman edition ni Poco X7 Pro. So this is an Ironman team na phone na Poco at ito yung itsura niya, napakaganda. Wow, grabe. Avengers, so mga Marvel fans, especially Ironman fans, so check it out yo. At is Ironman, a Marvel team na Avengers Ironman. Na napakaganda ng ano niya oh. Pwede pang bata, pwede pang mga collector, lalo na yung mga kilala kong Ironman fans. Go get this. At ito yung sa mga teaser do. Nakuha ko 'tong mga information sa Facebook page ni Poco Philippines. So ito, it's a 120 Hz refresh rate ng kanyang screen. It's an AMOLED 1.5K crystal res na display ni X7 Pro. Doon sa X7 series, it's sabi ito, it's a flagship level imaging at your fingertips. Ang kanyang camera is rear camera is Sony IMX882 na may OIS tsaka EIS dual stabilization. This is very interesting. I'm sure maganda to for vlogging. At si X7 Pro din, it's merong AI featured like the AI Film, AI Erase Pro, at AI Image Expansion. I check yung sabi ng AI Image Expansion, parang ito yung AI Generative Fill, which is yung parang pag malit lang yung picture mo, pag nilakihan mo, magkakaroon siya ng mga AI background na talagang intim talaga. Yan, very interesting. Ito yung gusto kong makita dito. At more on the Poco X7 Pro IP68 kanyang flagship level water and dust resistance. Ito ata yung trend na ngayon for 2025. Kailangan mataas yung IP rating mo. Like this one, IP68, which is water and dust resistant sa mga phones natin. No? Kasi ngayon, 'di ba? May mga pag typhoon tayo, bumabaha, kailangan natin yung mga ganitong phone na water resistant. Ayan. So si X7 Pro is meron siyang MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra, kanyang CPU, which is very interesting. 5G. Ayan, very interesting. At meron siyang 6,000 mAh of battery si X7 Pro. At I guess that's it for mga teaser information ni Poco X7 series na will be launching mamayang gabi 8 p.m. So huwag niyong kalilimutan 'yan. At manood tayo, sabay-sabay tayo. I'll be watching with you guys ito sa event na ito at magkita-kita tayo sa pagtangkilik nitong bagong phone X7 tsaka X7 Pro series nila. So ayun, so thank you guys for watching. So kita-kits tayo mamayang gabi to watch this interesting phone from Poco Philippines. So right, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. All right, thank you so much Poco for this.